Ever wonder why it seems harder to stay fit and strong as the years roll by? It's a common concern, and it's not just your imagination. The truth is, as we age, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle mass and strength, particularly once we hit our 30s and 40s. But don't despair. This isn't a foregone conclusion. Today, we're delving into the world of muscle health to discover how to maintain and even increase muscle mass and strength as the candles on the birthday cake multiply. To kick off, one of the most effective ways to combat muscle loss is by incorporating regular resistance training into your routine. Resistance training, whether it's lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises, works by causing micro tears in the muscle fibers. As these tears repair, the muscles grow stronger and larger. Aim for at least 2 to 3 resistance training sessions a week. Remember, consistency is key. Next on our list is the importance of nutrition. You've likely heard the phrase, "You are what you eat." When it comes to maintaining muscle mass, protein plays a starring role. As the building blocks of muscle, a diet rich in high-quality protein sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes can aid in muscle repair and growth. But don't forget to balance your plate. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for your workouts, while healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Now, on to lifestyle factors. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, and excessive alcohol consumption can all negatively impact muscle health. Prioritize restful sleep, manage stress through activities like meditation or yoga, and keep alcohol consumption within moderate limits to support overall muscle health. Hydration also plays a crucial role. Water helps transport nutrients to your cells and remove waste products, both of which are vital for muscle health. So, keep your water bottle close at hand. Finally, remember that slow and steady wins the race. Rapid gains in muscle mass aren't sustainable and can lead to injury. Aim for steady, gradual progress. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as necessary. To sum up, maintaining and even increasing muscle mass and strength as we age is possible with a consistent approach to resistance training, balanced nutrition, and a healthy lifestyle. Today, we've learned that resistance training helps to build muscle and strength. Protein is a key nutrient for muscle health, and lifestyle factors like stress management, sleep, and hydration are just as important as exercise and diet. So, there you have it. Aging doesn't have to mean a decline in muscle mass and strength. With these strategies in your toolkit, you're well equipped to stay fit and strong no matter how many candles are on your cake. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every small step counts. Keep moving, keep eating well, and keep living life to the fullest. Your muscles will thank you for it. As we delve deeper into the world of resistance training, it's important to note that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. There are various types of resistance training that you can incorporate into your regimen. Let's take a closer look. First, there's isometric resistance. This involves contracting your muscles against a non-moving object, like a wall or the floor. Planks and wall sits are perfect examples of isometric resistance training. This type is excellent for improving stability and maintaining muscle strength. Next, we have isotonic resistance training. This involves contracting your muscles through a range of motion, such as when you lift and lower a dumbbell. Exercises like bicep curls and squats fall into this category. Isotonic resistance training is great for building muscle mass and enhancing muscle tone. Lastly, there's plyometric resistance training. This involves using your muscles to exert maximum force in short intervals of time with the goal of increasing power. Plyometric exercises include box jumps and burpees. This type of training is effective for improving your speed and power. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Mixing up your workouts with different types of resistance training can keep things interesting and challenge your muscles in diverse ways. This can result in more comprehensive strength gains and prevent plateaus. So, don't limit yourself to just one type. Explore and see what works best for you. Now, let's explore the role of nutrition in more detail. Your training and efforts in the gym can only take you so far. Nutrition plays a vital role in fueling your workouts and helping you recover post-exercise. It's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. Meal timing can significantly affect your performance and results. Consuming a balanced meal 2-3 hours before your workout provides the energy needed for a productive training session. Your pre-workout meal should ideally consist of complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think whole grain toast with almond butter or a chicken breast with brown rice and vegetables. Post-workout nutrition is equally important. It aids in recovery and helps you build and repair muscle. A protein-rich meal, eaten within 45 minutes after your workout, can facilitate this process. A classic example would be a protein shake with a banana or Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey. Remember, you are what you eat. A well-rounded diet combined with varied resistance training can help you achieve your fitness goals. Nutrition shouldn't be an afterthought, but a key component of your fitness journey. Voiceover. Finally, let's delve into the importance of lifestyle factors on your fitness journey. You see, while resistance training and nutrition are critical, they are just pieces of the puzzle. Lifestyle factors such as stress and sleep can significantly impact your muscle health and recovery. Firstly, stress. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which can inhibit muscle growth and recovery. It's essential to manage stress effectively through techniques like meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to unwind and do something you enjoy. Next, we turn our attention to sleep. Sleep is the unsung hero of muscle recovery. During sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissues broken down during exercise. It's recommended to aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. You can improve your sleep by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a quiet and comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding screens close to bedtime. Remember, health is wealth. Training hard and eating right are vital, but don't neglect the importance of managing stress and getting enough sleep. Your body and your muscles will thank you for it.